the amount of skills that they are learning, things like how to interact with communities or to bridge this gap between policies or procedures or laws and how that impacts a community, is discussed in all of our classes. And because of that, they are gaining these skills not to just learn. They're not just learning the content, but they're applying it constantly in our classes. They are going out into the community. They're interacting with different stakeholders, government bodies, community members, and really getting these hands-on skills. We largely talk about the community capitals, the things that make a community strong, but not just from a content standpoint. We then go out and have students apply these into their community. I am teaching a course right now on government, politics, and community development, where they're actually kind of integrating this idea of how government is impacting the community and how communities are responding to government policies and laws. And so, again, there's this dynamic between what the students are learning, what they're doing, and how they can actually apply it within the community that they're situated.